Let's ask this question, what is I? To answer this, let's look at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. What are these? Well, when 1, we generally interpret it as 1 apple, or we may say 1 cat or 1 dog. By 2, generally we interpret it as 2 apple, that is 1 plus 1 apple. By 3, we generally interpret it as 3 apple or 3 dog, or that kind of intuition we have. But let's solve this equation. X plus 2 equal to 2. We know that, well, you can't write x equal to 1 or 2 or anything. So we just need to create x equal to a 0. By 0 apple, we obviously mean no apple. Or by 0 number of cat means we mean no cat. That makes sense. I'll just leave it okay. Now again, let's look at the another type of equation. 3x equal to 1. Then we have x equal to 1 by 3. Obviously, we can interpret as 1/3 of apple. Okay, that also makes sense. You divide apple. However, 1/3 of cat, it may not make sense because you can't divide a cat into 3 parts. So, however, if you want to solve this equation, 3x equal to 1, if you want to solve this equation, you're bound to use x equal to 1 by 3. Now the problem gets solved, and with the help of rational number, you could solve any equation ax equal to b. However, we are stuck with another equation, x squared equal to minus 1. Now if we put any rational number, if we put even the numbers that have decimal expansion, say, then we know that x into x is either positive or 0. However, minus 1 is neither negative, neither positive nor 0. It is negative. Minus 1 being negative, it is neither positive nor 0. So when you say x squared equal to minus 1, then we understand that we can't have any real number as solution. So x cannot be a real number. It cannot be a real number. Well, if x cannot be a real number, what should it be? To solve the equation x plus 2 equal to 2, we did introduce x equal to 0. To solve the equation 2x equal to 1, we introduce x equal to half. Now to solve the equation x squared equal to minus 1, let's introduce x equal to square root of minus 1, and let's call it as I. Now note that I cannot have decimal expansion, because once it had decimal expansion, then x squared will turn out to be equal to minus 1, and that does not happen for any number that has decimal expansion. X squared cannot be equal to minus 1. So x is I, and that's called imaginary number, because I doesn't have any kind of decimal expansion.